How to fix NSc.exe Bad Image error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Install all Windows updates. Windows updates could also resolve issues with third-party applications, so it's important to install them. To ensure that system files aren't damaged, use commands via the elevated command prompt. Right-click command prompt and click on Run as administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, many users said that they have managed to fix the NSc.exe Bad Image error by updating Norton to the latest version. This is because it has been several times identified by Norton experts that the issue lies within the software itself, hence they release hot fixes to remediate the situation. If that didn't work, in some cases, the issue might be a bit deeper, and usage of the media creation tool might be required. It will update your system to the latest version and repair any damages that couldn't be fixed otherwise.